In today's video, I am going to teach you create t-shirt designs on Canva to sell. By the end, you will know how to set up the right canvas, build a clean, readable design, and export a crisp, print-ready file that looks great on actual shirts. Start by opening Canva and typing shirt into the search bar. This ensures you are working on a canvas that matches standard print-on-demand dimensions, so your artwork scales correctly on apparel. Beginning with the correct size helps avoid issues like clipping, unintended borders, or fuzzy results when the design is printed. From here, choose whether to start with a template or a blank canvas. Templates are fantastic for inspiration and layout ideas, but customize them heavily so your design stands out and doesn't look like dozens of others using the same base. Swap colors, change fonts, replace graphics, and adjust spacing until the design feels uniquely yours while keeping the overall composition strong and balanced. Now, build your custom design using the Elements tab for graphics and the Text tool for typography. Prioritize high contrast and readability, especially for phrases meant to be seen from a distance. Choose fonts that are bold enough to print cleanly, and avoid overly thin strokes that can disappear on fabric. Limit your color palette so the design feels cohesive and is easier for printers to reproduce consistently. Align elements carefully with Canva's smart guides, and keep important parts centered so they sit well on the chest area. Before moving on, zoom in and out to check legibility. If it's hard to read at a glance, simplify spacing, increase font size, or boost contrast between text and background. When using graphics, favor simple, high-impact shapes or vector-style icons that hold up at large sizes. When you are happy with the layout, it's time to export. If you have access to the Pro feature, enable transparent background at download. This removes any white box behind your design, allowing it to print cleanly on any shirt color without a visible rectangle. It's essential for logos, text-only designs, and any artwork that shouldn't have a solid block behind it. For print clarity, choose PNG and increase the size or scaling slider to a higher value to avoid blur on fabric. PNG preserves sharp edges and transparency, making it ideal for apparel graphics. Finally, download the file as a PNG, and you are set with a clean high-resolution design ready for your store. Thanks for watching.